What is going on, everybody? Welcome back to my channel. Right now what you're looking at here is a 490 horsepower 2021 Honda Accord Sport 2.0. This is the first one that you're gonna see that's gonna be fastest. I would say this is the fastest one, I would say, unless you're running 495 or 500 horsepower, then at least you're not in New York. So this one's still the fastest on his 2021. He's the first to have this built on, which is great. So let's start off with what have you done in the front as performance wise. And the bottom is a PRL, right?
Front PRL intake.
So you have a PRL front mount intercooler?
Yep.
Nice. But it's a Type R, or is it the regular one?
It's a Type R.
Okay. All right, so and this is what airbag system you're running on right now?
Airlift 3P.
Is it smooth?
Hell yeah, this thing rides like a
So performance-wise, no issues, right? Because I know some people be like...
No, honestly, bro, no.
Some people be like, don't get bags if you're going to do performance.
Nah, honestly, nah. The only thing, like, I'm not gonna lie to you, like, having bags, especially like the drive that I just took from here to from over there.
Yeah.
You do feel like a lot of bumps. That's about
You feel, got you. But that's only if you're lowered right to the bottom, right?
Yeah.
Oh yeah, because you're closer to the ground. But other than that, it's smooth, right?
Nice.
Got you. So it's Airlift brand. Nice. It's good to know. Because I got to get bags next year.
That's not a bad idea, man. Also, like, it's nice too because you know something you're driving on coils.
Yeah.
You're watching out for walls.
Got you.
Out for stuff like that.
Right. Cool. But then, of course, the stuff that's been changed on the 2021, you got the gloss black spoiler, then the antenna on top, you got the moonroof, and the side mirrors are also gloss black finished. And this is how lowered he is right now without any modifications on the body. So it's still pretty low. That's awesome. All right, so what are you planning on doing to it though after some time, I guess, once winter's over?
Putting the wheels on.
Wheels are next?
Yeah, putting my lips.
Sweet.
Also want to change the bumper, put the lights on, those nice lights. Also
Okay.
lights from here.
Yeah.
I don't know exactly what they're called, but I see them on a couple cars that come here and they're actually pretty dope.
He has it, I think. Yeah, he does.
Oh, yeah, he does.
He does.
Yeah.
Gotcha.
Yeah.
Nice. Anything in the front, maybe? And you're running 5% tints? Looks like it.
All around, 5%
Can't see
around.
it. Awesome. And then you want to do a, what's it called? Just lift it up and when we go back down, we'll try to get that. And do that from the app, huh? That's the best part. That's only air with airlift, right?
Only airlift, yeah.
Yeah, that's crazy. Yeah, bring it down, Come.
Bring it down or up?
No, bring it up, but bring the app down. I want to show it the app. That looks pretty cool.
To lower it.
To lower it. Nice.
This is sick.
If you guys get bags, go with airlift. Don't get the AirTech because my friend has them here, and he says he has AirTech. He don't have that. He's got to do it with the remote from inside, and that's why, guys, I was like, I want to know the difference with these airbag system that they have. It's two different brands here. It feels more bumps here and very bumpy. Yo, Ash, tell me about the suspension you got. It's very well. You have airbags, but AirTech, right?
No, the bags are the same between the two brands. The difference is my car is heavier. I have more stuff in it.
Wait, but you said you had a different...
I have different brand, yeah, but the bags are practically the same. Like the struts themselves.
They're different? They're
pretty much the same.
But then he's got everything. Like he says, it's more smooth than.
I mean, he lives in Long Island, man. I live in
He
New
got
York
our bus
City.
still.
That's different.
What bags you got? What brand?
AirTag.
Oh, AirTag?
Yeah, but
That's what I'm
Oh,
saying.
mine's
He has
an
airlift.
I know, but if I guarantee you, if you go to New York City and you drive back, you're gonna be bouncing around and shit.
I did it. I did.
You didn't bounce
He
around.
didn't.
Maybe it's your dampeners.
I don't know, bro. But it's
I don't know.
it's huge difference.
Bro, I took this shit to bed.
He got an app
You
too.
didn't bounce around.
He's working with he's using an app to
What bags you got? Bella?
I know people that have
Everybody here an owner of a Honda? Is that it?
All right, so I don't know. Ash said he doesn't have dampers adjusted, and he has adjusted to 12 clicks. You said 12 clicks to the right. Yeah, to the right. So his ride is a lot smoother and doesn't feel that many bumps as much as Ash does. So we'll have to find out because we're gonna adjust his dampers too to 12 clicks to the right, and we'll see what happens. Honestly, but I do want to get the airlift because he's using the app to make it go up and down, and it's been known for reliability as well. So that's pretty awesome, though. Check this out. All right, guys. So enjoy. I hope you guys had fun, and if anything, just DM him on his IG and ask him questions. He can do a lot of work on the car himself as well. So definitely worth a follow and DM him. All right, peace out.